Hi guys, it's Trish back with another video. Today we're going to make a fun Christmas bulb necklace and earrings. I use these two button mixes, tree trimmers, and Jack Frost. They are adorable. You're going to need an 18-inch piece of chain that has openings large enough for the jump rings that you choose. You're going to need jump rings. These are 6mm, a lobster claw, and then 2 ear wires for your earrings. So I've opened up my adorable Christmas bulbs here. I have my jump rings here. I set my clasp to the side and my ear wires for later. I folded my chain in half so I could find the center link, which is this one right here. And the center one I'm going to take, and you're going to need 2 chain nose pliers, or, pliers like this that you could open and close jump rings easily. So I'm just going to take our jump rings and open one. And then you're going to choose what color do I want for the center. So I'm going to go for red for my center. And see how easily those go onto jump rings? And then you're just going to put it onto your chain and close your jump ring. Of course, front to back. You want to make sure you're not pulling them open side to side. So there is our center. Okay, as easy as that, guys. And we're going to work out from there. I'm going to make a little area here that I know I want to, about that big of an area with the cute little Christmas bulbs. And I think I'm going to do like 2 beside the large ones, just like that. I'm going to make mine nice and colorful. So again, we're just going to pick up our jump rings. Let me scooch those over to the side so our chain doesn't get tangled in it. All right, there we go. So I'm just going to do the same thing. That's a bigger one. Let's get one that's the size I wanted. We're going to open that front to back. Pick up our little bulb, and you can see each one of them has a little hole in there that you can put a jump ring through. It couldn't be any easier to make an adorable holiday necklace. So just close your jump ring front to back. All right, put it back in place here. Let's put our blue one on. And we're just going to keep working out on either side of our middle. I want to make sure I have the right one. Putting our jump rings through and closing those with our bulbs. So there you can see we have 3 on already. We're ready to roll. So I'm going to start then working next. I want to do, because I want to do like every other, the large and the small, if you see what I'm saying. So then that way it kind of gives it some depth. So I'm going to do the same thing with our green one over here. I mean, this is a quick and easy gift. Or if you're going to a holiday party, you could whip this up in no time for a cute little necklace to go to your Christmas party, Super fun. Okay. So that's what we're looking at so far. Can you even stand it? These are glass or acrylic. I think they're acrylic. But, I mean, they look fantastic on a piece, don't they? So let's pick a couple small ones. So we want to put a red. And we didn't use, what other color? Yellow. So we'll use those on the outside. And you could, the sky's the limit on how big you want this to be, how wide you want there to be bulbs on it. You could do it clear around to the back if you wanted to. Okay. Do a yellow, and then we're going to do 2 more large ones after that. Okay. Goes in that one. Excuse me. That's adorable. I can't stand it. Oh my goodness. Okay. And let's do, I think, a blue and a purple. What do you think? I think those look cute. Okay, next link. And you want to make sure to set out 2 of the same color, unless you want 2 different colored earrings. I see here I just by chance had 2 yellows left, so I'm going to set those up there because I don't want, I want my earrings to match. So I'm going to open this one and put our purple one on that I just put back there for some reason. And hook that in. And that is just stinking adorable. So I have my earrings set aside. So I'm going to just take my lights and just scoot them over there because I want to hook up my earrings and put my clasp on. I told you this was quick and easy. There's no joke. That is quick and easy. So let's pull out our bulbs. Let me move this up. And we're just going to open up our ear wires that we have. And again, you can find these items that I'm using, the findings at jessiejamesbeads.com, or the lights that we're using here at Dress It Up Buttons. And we're just going to close those circles on our ear wires. And that gives you a lightning pair of cute earrings. And then we're just going to put a clasp on. So I always like my clasps on the right, so I'm going to do that on this side. So I'm going to put my lobster clasp over there. And then I'm going to just take another jump ring. And then put a jump ring inside of that, just like that. And then I'm going to hook it on the other side of the necklace, on the end of the chain. And then I'm just going to make sure this one that I looped through is nice and closed, and it looks like it is. And we're just going to close our lobster clasp, just like so. And that is your necklace and earring set. Just stinking adorable. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.